morning. It's nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Zhang Zihao. I'm a student who just graduated from Aeronautical Engineering, National Formosa University. During my school days, I devote myself to studying the assembly and disassembly of the main parts of the aircraft, like reading the illustrated part catalog.
Why are you interested in this job?
Because this company is not only similar to what I have learned in industrial, but also is one of the best in terms of technology training talents.
Tell me about a challenge or conflict you faced at work and how you deal with it.
Sometimes I don't know the next position of the work or encounter a solution I don't understand. At this time, I will find a glass of water to drink, calm myself down first, and then find out the answer to the problem and the solutions.
How did you hear about this position?
When I saw it at the school career fair, I went to the booth to learn about the relevant work content and salary.
What English threshold do you have?
I have a TOEIC test certificate with 400 points.
Okay, tell me about your personality.
I am a good communicator. I am well to cooperate with my colleagues and review mistakes together to make things more satisfactory.
What are you passionate about?
In my spare time, I like to collect some aircraft models or watch some model making video on YouTube. There are more and more 3D painting technology. Often see a lot of self-made aircraft models.
Do you have any questions you want to ask?
Yes, I'd like to know if there will be any future opportunity for specific training.
If necessary, there will be any other questions?
No, thank you for taking the time to speak with me today.
Good morning, it's nice to meet you.
Pleasant to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Hello, my name is Yu Jun, and I'm excited to introduce myself to you. And I'm delighted to be here today for this interview. I recently graduated from National Chenggang University with a bachelor's degree in Department of Aeronautical Engineering.
Why do you want this job?
During my undergraduate studies, I had the opportunity to participate in several research projects related to thermal and fluid science. Through this experience, I developed a strong interest in thermal and fluid science and discovered a passion for conduction research. So, I have to apply what I have learned to solve engineering problems.
What are your greatest strengths?
I'm very honest. When I feel that my workload is too large to accept another task, or if I don't understand something, I always let my director know.
What did you consider to be your weakness?
Usually, I pay too much attention to detail about a particular project. Therefore, I spend a bit longer span of time assessing dedicated points, which is my greatest weakness in my understanding. I strive to improve the sector by rejecting myself into the regular time schedule.
What certificate do you have?
I have a TOEIC test certificate with 800 points, computer-aided mechanical design drawing grade B, and AutoCAD factory certification.
Thank you for your interest in our company.
Thank you, sir. I expect to hear from you as soon as possible.
Would you please let the next applicant come in on your way out?
Alright, goodbye.
everyone for coming. Howard, please take the minutes.
Okay, I will do it.
Thanks, Howard. Theo, speak about item 1 on the agenda. Which candidate shall win the engineer offer?
After the interview, we can make the vote about the two candidates.
I vote the number 2.
I vote the number 2.
I vote the number 1.
I vote the number 2. Okay, after the discussion, we finally make decision and we choose the candidate number 2, Yu Chenjun, to be the new engineer.
Thanks, Theo. Howard, please speak about the item 1 on the agenda. The job responsibility, the starting salary, and the benefit of the new colleague.
His job responsibility is to make sure all machines are in the good situation. About the starting salary, is set at $30,000 NT, and the benefits are breakfast, free breakfast every day, and he can use all the facility for employees.
Thanks, Howard. Stanley, speak about item 3 on the agenda. A welcome party for the new colleague.
We have 2 places can choose. One is Golden Jaga Hotel, is $100 NT, and other is Tai Tai Hotel. The price is more than the last one. It's $120 NT. Please make a vote.
I vote the number 1.
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 Finally, we agree unanimously on the number 1 option, so our welcome party will hold in the Golden Jaga Hotel. All the people in the bench will participate and the bill $100 NT each person. Also, we will invite a special guest to join the party. We got 2 choices. One is shift maker offer, Andy, and one is shift human resource offer, Julia. Please vote.
I think Julia is interesting. I vote for her.
I think Andy is more talkative. I like his work style. I vote for him.
I think Julia is more kindly, so I vote for her.
I vote Julia for the same reason. Okay, we will invite Julia as a special guest for the party.
Thanks, Stanley. Howard, please minute the conversation. Thanks. Are there any other business?
Just one point. I'd like to reason problem of computer hardware. Today I run the code and the computer was lagging 3 times. I thought the hardware needs to be upgraded to make our work efficiency better.
Good suggestion, Stanley. Theo, is the budget of the hardware upgraded enough?
Yes, we have enough budget.
Okay, Howard, minutes how much the budget we use about the hardware upgraded.
Okay, I will do that.
Howard, please report back at the next meeting. Our next meeting will be next Monday. Thanks everyone for attending today.